Welcome to Capstone 2010. This is a how-to video for the administrators on how to add roles so that the students will be able to control and manage their own virtual machines. The first thing that you want to do is to log into the vSphere client. Once you are logged in, you will want to select the Inventory tab and then choose the subdirectory of Inventory, Administration, and Roles. This should take you to the Roles directory. Here you should see a list of roles on the left-hand side. You can right-click on one of the existing roles. I'm going to right-click on the Student Run Only role and add a new role so that the student can control his or her own VM. We are going to name this new role Student Who Can Run VMs. After you name the role, you will go to the list of privileges. You want to give privileges to the students to control their VM and not another student's. So you will want to go down to the virtual machine directory and expand it, and select the subdirectory named Interaction. This is where you will select the roles that you want your student to have. I am going to choose Console Interaction, Device Connection, Power Off, Power On, Reset, and Suspend. Next, you can go down the rest of the list to see if there's any other roles that you might want your student to have. After selecting OK, you want to go back to the Administration tab you selected in the beginning and choose the Inventory tab once again. Then we're going to choose the VMs and Template tab, or you can press Ctrl-Shift-V. You will go on the left-hand side and choose the student for whom you want to add the roles for. I am choosing User 3 because he or she is in class number 1. So I will right-click on User 3 and left-click on Add Permissions. An Assign Permissions screen will appear after you select Add Permissions. As an admin, you will want to select the Add button and under the Users and Groups box on the left. This will open up another screen or box named Select Users and Groups. Choose the domain the student is under. The domain I'm going to choose is Capstone because that is the domain User 3 is under. Next, select the user you want to add permissions to from the drop-down list. In this case, it will be User 3, and then select OK. It takes you back to the Assign Permission screen. Last, you use the drop-down menu under Assign Role to select the role that was created for the user, which is Student Who Can Run VMs, and select OK. Your student now has the proper rights to control their own VMs.